Yo, what it do, gang? Welcome to the series of trading every day until I'm profitable. Now, I'm about to show y'all how I caught a smooth 1 to 3. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all this. This trade, I took 2 losses. One was because I over leveraged, which means I risked more than I had. Now, the trade would have played out, but I got stopped out because margin levels went to 0, so it automatically closed the trade. But as you can see here, it actually didn't stop me out. Realistically, I would have still been in profit. But you know, things happen. So then I ended up taking a loss on the first trade I entered because I got stopped out at right here, but my stop loss was at 700. Real close stop loss, not gonna lie. And then I entered off emotions, took a short because I thought, no, it's just gonna go down. Lost that, but then I came back to my senses, like, let me stick to my analysis, let me stick to my system, and that I know this trade is gonna work. So I re-entered right around here, right around this area for a long position, which happens to work. I got out right about here. As you can see, though, I could have held it for a while. Now, the reason I got to this point, now, quick and simple, the easiest way I got to this point was I seen price was been in consolidation for a while, but as you can see, we also had higher lows being made. So we had a rejection from here, rejection from here, and a rejection from here. Now, all these rejections really just told me that price is gonna go back up. And price reject off of here, then I waited, went down to my 15-minute time frame. Originally, I was supposed to wait till price broke this lower high, which you see would have worked, you know, a little minor break of structure to the upside. But I got in early because I seen there was multiple rejections right here, so I knew price was gonna eventually go up. Now, the reason I lost was because the margin levels on the broker, it doesn't go below 0. I know some brokers go all the way to negative 100 or 144%. Mine, the broker I'm using, it does strictly 100%. And once it's at 100, it just closes the whole position instead of closing off some, how some brokers do. Which is cool. We just gotta learn to manage our risk a little better, because if I would have went in lower risk, I would have still been in the trade and it would have worked in my favor. But yeah, that's pretty much day one. I'll show a screenshot of the profit. We overall at first lost, I want to say $55, $60. Then, but the trade that we re-entered, it made all that. So today we ended with a profit of, I want to say, $15. Yeah, so that's day one. Pretty much a break-even day, but you know, we'll get better as time goes on. See y'all in the next video.